Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take down the Coleman pop-up tent. These things are really awesome. They set up in like 5 seconds, but they do take a little bit of knowledge and know how to disassemble and get back into the bag. Now this is the 4-person, but the same rules apply for the 2-person pop-up tent. So let's jump right into it. Okay, it's time to set this thing up, and then I'm gonna show you the steps to take it down and then show you a different angle with the camera to make it hopefully easier. So we'll set her on up. Like so. And to take down, you want to grab these 2 first rings, bring them together, pinch it with one hand, bring the next one in, pinch it, bring the next one in, pinch it, pinch it, pinch it, so you have it like so. Then stand the entire thing up like so with your hand still holding it. Put your foot in the front, grab the top here, bring it down and in. So you'll get to this point here where you have both of these, and it doesn't really matter which one you put on top. I usually put this one in first, bring it down, get the air out of it, like so. All right, everyone, well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video on how to take down the Coleman pop-up tent. If you found this video informative, please hit that like button. It helps surface this video to more people that are interested in this topic. And happy camping. See you around.